very often we see there is date and time error in Windows PCs. For example, if we refer this PC, it is currently showing the year as 2003, where it should be the current year, that is 2018. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. So you have to click on the change date and time settings. Then you have to go to the internet time option, that is the third tab. Now you have to click on the change setting option. Make sure that the synchronize with an internet time saver option is clicked and the server is set as time.windows.com, and now you have to click on the update now option. Once you have clicked on it, it will fetch the proper time from the internet. Now click on the OK button and let's see whether the time has been changed or not. Okay, now it is showing 2018.